Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this copper hair from black basically, and let's just get right into it. So this is the hair, as you can see. It's not for me, it's for a client, and she wanted that vibrant color. So I went in with my bleach, and I'm going to be using the 40 developer, and obviously those are the things that I will be needing. And first off, I had to use the got to be glue to spray the lace of the wig, you know, so that by the time I want to color the hair, it will not spill over to it will not mess up the net basically. So I'm going to be mixing my little concoction right there, which that is also a 40 developer. It's just a small one, so I just wanted to use that, and I'm mixing that, and I as you can see, the consistency, it's not a very thick one, and it's not very runny, so I think I like that. Well, that consistency works for me. So if you want to start, you obviously want to brush your hair very well. It's not good to bleach your hair in a very tangled state, so you really want to brush it out. And as you can see, I'm heavily coating the bleach on the hair, because for the color that I want, it has to be very it has to really, basically the bleach has to be saturated in the hair. So I'm going to be doing I'm doing just that. So now that everything is done, I'm going to put it in the plastic bag, and I think I left it for about 30 minutes, you know, and that's just it. So I'm going to be using the Adore dye, and I'm going to be using it in Kanju Spice and Spice Amber because of the color that I want. So for turning the hair into like copper, so I'm going to be using the watercolor method. And this water is not very hot. I'm just going to pour it. So I'm using more of this spiced amber. I'm using more of this spiced amber than this Kanju spice. And that comes to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm going to see you on my next one. Don't forget to stay beautiful. I love you, and bye.